Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be doing cable crimping, and cable crimping is actually, this is what they call RJ45 connector, or you can call it RJ45 jack, as we all know. Then here I have my, come on, let me show you. I have my full Cat 6 cable. You see them? That's my crimping tool. So today I'll be crimping tools. Here I'll be crimping a lot of patch cable for internet connection. So as I go, please, this is my RJ45 cable connector rather. So you follow me up. I will show you how to crimp. I know most of us don't know how to crimp, and they find it difficult to actually get this right on how to crimp a cable. It's very simple and it's logical at the same time. So follow me in my next video. I will show you how to crimp a cable. Yeah.